When assigning a beneficiary to a life insurance policy, should I use my foundation or my wife's name, who is the managing director of the foundation? First, can you use a foundation to be the beneficial interest in a life insurance policy? Number one. Number two, if you just had your wife's name, it would be sufficient because the tax benefit or insurance benefit, the insurance policy amount is going to come to her tax free anyway, and she can then control it and donate it directly to the foundation, or at least wield it. Like she can take that check directly, or initiate a wire as the receiving interest to the foundation herself. And then what you do in the foundation is you write, you know, a single page document, no different than a will, but you can just, it's an operating agreement of the foundation between the managing and the executive directors, that you will do this if this happens, do that if this happens. And I do want to say, because this is an important question, you're talking about a life or a will or an estate kind of a question. Mike, if I were you, whenever you do this operating agreement within the foundation, get two witnesses and a notary. I saw something the other day where somebody had a notarized will, and the wife of 1 year contested the will. And in Florida, there's a statute that allows for her to contest it because he didn't have a witness to the will, and you need to have at least one witness and the notary. And she stole his kids' funds and only had been married to him for 1 year, his entire retirement and house and all the assets, because he didn't dot his I's and cross his T's. So they do a witness, two people, where they sign a initial their names and or print their names and do a date and do a notary on that operating agreement within the foundation, and that should take care of business for you.